The telegram is history now. However, in its going, it's really left with an amazing marketing blitz. What was all this about? Sumita Karir finds out.
An emotional bunch of employees of BSNL or Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited on the last day of the telegram, on the 14th of July. Some of them have spent nearly 60 years at the telegraph office sending and receiving telegrams.
हम अपनी 163 साल की सेवा बंद करते हैं.
70-year-old Ram Prasad Singh sending his last telegram to his grandson.
उसको टेलीग्राम के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं कि पोस्ट ऑफिस के अंदर टेलीग्राम होता है और कुछ पोस्ट ऑफिस के टिकट वगैरह से लेटर पोस्ट किए जाते हैं.
पहला टेलीग्राम मिसेज को भेजा था अपने, और क्योंकि हम लोग थोड़ा दूर दराज में थे, ये दिल्ली में रहती थी, तो भेजा था.
मैंने आज इनको दोबारा से वही मैसेज लिखा है जो मैंने 27 साल पहले लिखा था.
आज के दिन की यादें रह जाएंगी सिर्फ, क्योंकि ना तार कभी मिला है ना कभी पाया है, कभी किसी इम्पोर्टेंस एक्चुअली है नहीं लाइफ में, क्योंकि SMS है, इंटरनेट है, ईमेल है, सब कुछ है.
ये तार ने मुझे जो जान दिया है अभी तक, 40 साल उसमें नौकरी दिया, उसमें बढ़ाया, मैं मेरे बाल बच्चे को पढ़ाया, सब कुछ किया.
Almost 20,000 telegrams were sent on the last day, a number that was too late in coming, forcing BSNL to shut down the telegram service permanently. Huge losses ensured revenues of nearly 75 lakh rupees last year.
एक्चुअली ये इकोनॉमिकली वाइबल नहीं है. इस कारण से हम लोग चूँकि जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं, इसका जो व्यावसायिक तौर पे इसका रिस्पांस आज के दिन में जीरो है. जो हमारे कस्टमर हैं वो आ नहीं रहे हैं, तो ये कारण से इसको हम लोग बंद कर रहे हैं.
While there were a few takers when the telegram was in use, the surge in communication over the past few years, particularly in mobile phone penetration across the heartland of India and data services, led to the telegram becoming redundant. In death, however, the service caught the imagination of many, including brands. Aditya Birla Financial Services sent out 5,000 telegrams to issue an obituary to the telegram, evoking nostalgia, while also conveying the brand's proposition.
Retirement is one reality which we all want to forget, do not want to think of, but it's not going away. So when this opportunity came our way, we could not give it a miss. We all know that the humble telegram would be out of existence from the 14th of July. What with WhatsApp, BBMs and 1 paisa calls, it was going to be out of work. So we saw a great analogy here and a great opportunity for us to reach out to prospects, to provoke them into realizing the importance of retirement solutions in their life.
The idea really was seizing the opportunity because everyone knew probably 2 months ahead that 14th of July would be the last day.